Welcome to Tokyo! Hi everybody, this is Kumiko-Teressa, Tokyo Ramen Girl. Today I'm going to introduce you to two ramen noodle places in Asagaya, which is 8 minutes from Shinjuku Station. Let's go check them out! The first place has very good salt ramen noodles and it's in Asagaya, close to Shinjuku. The soup is transparent and easy on the eyes. This ramen has chashu, menma, and spinach with ofu, and it's pretty rare. Ofu is one of traditional Japanese foods. Whole grain thin noodles match very well with salty taste soup. Chashu is so soft and melts in your mouth. When you break half-boiled egg, the egg yolk will blend in with the soup and it tastes delicious. Ofu that soaked up soup tastes excellent. This place is 9-minute walk from JR Asagaya Station on Chuo Line, an easy access from Shinjuku Station. The next place is also in Asagaya. It's Tonkotsu Ramen Noodle Place. Big chashu and soup with tons of pork back fat is very appetizing. The soup tastes fresh despite the look of it. It's pretty easy to drink, so you can have it late at night. Egg noodles are thin and tasty. Chashu is surprisingly thick, and bowl comes with 4 of them. If you love meat, you will surely love this. No wonder a lot of people come here to have tonkotsu ramen noodles late at night. This place is 8 minutes from Shinjuku Station and located about 10-minute walk from JR Asagaya Station. When you're done with ramen noodles, make a stop at Zeokova tree-lined street. It's like going through a ton of trees. Also, you might want to stop by horse race tracks in Fuchu. It might make a great memory for your trip in Tokyo. Japanese comedian Doron Ishimoto actually did these 2 reports on ramen noodles. So, what did you think? Make sure you stop by these places when you come to Tokyo. See you soon! Bye!